One thing I love about the Pfaff company is that they do include a printed manual for the Pfaff Creative 4.5 sewing machine and embroidery machine. And the second book is actually all the built-in embroidery designs that come with this machine. So these are all built in. I didn't look how many. There is a lot. Yes, yay. And plus alphabets, plus. We also have an online warranty registration that you can go ahead and do. Just a quick little note. Your Pfaff has a 20-year warranty on the machine for any defective parts that were made for any reason. There is a 5-year warranty on your circuit boards, and with that, I highly recommend that you plug this beautiful sewing computer into a battery backup. So more than just a surge protector, it's the one step up from that. Contact your local computer store or office store, and they'll know what you're asking for. Mine is just like a 5-minute battery backup, but it is all plugged in there. If I have any issues with power or such, it will make sure that everything stays safe and I don't have any circuit board issues. But for any reason you do, that warranty will cover up to 5 years of anything that might go wrong. Just take it back to your local Pfaff store. They know exactly what to do and take care of it. 1-year warranty on everything that just needs to be taken care of. So your Pfaff store will do that for you if you bought it from them. And if you need anything, service or some tweaking, they will take care of it for you. So I love that this is all spelled out, and you can, again, register your machine at pfaff.com.